Are you feeling tired, stressed, or just a bit off balance lately? What if the answer to healing was already growing right inside your home? In today's video, we're diving into 10 powerful indoor plants that promote healing, reduce stress, purify your air, and even improve your mood. These aren't just pretty plants, they're nature's medicine, right on your shelf. Stick around until the end to find out which one of these is scientifically proven to help you sleep better. Let's start with the most iconic healing plant, aloe vera. Known as the plant of immortality by ancient Egyptians, aloe vera is packed with antibacterial, anti-inflammatory, and antioxidant properties. It's perfect for treating burns, wounds, acne, and dry skin. Just break off a leaf and apply the soothing gel inside. It also purifies the air and requires minimal attention. Bright light and occasional watering are all it needs. Next is the snake plant, also called mother-in, law's tongue. This hardy plant does something truly unique. Releases oxygen at night, making it ideal for your bedroom. Studies show it removes toxins like benzene and formaldehyde from the air. Want deeper, more restful sleep? Try placing one near your bed and let nature do the healing. The peace lily isn't just beautiful, it's therapeutic. It's been shown by NASA to be one of the best air purifying plants. It reduces mold spores in the air, balances humidity, and is believed to absorb negative energy, making your space more harmonious. Just keep it away from pets, as it can be mildly toxic if ingested. Lavender isn't just for perfumers, it's a plant with deep healing properties. Its scent helps lower anxiety, blood pressure, and heart rate, promoting better sleep and relaxation. You can grow it indoors with enough sunlight and good drainage. Place a lavender pot in your bedroom or near your workspace for calm and clarity throughout the day. Revered in Ayurveda, holy basil or Tulsi is considered a sacred plant in India. It has strong anti-inflammatory and immune-boosting effects. Just chewing a few leaves or brewing Tulsi tea can help manage stress, cold, and cough symptoms. It thrives on sunlight, so place it in a sunny window and let this spiritual healer uplift your home. Boston ferns are natural humidifiers. They release moisture into the air and help with dry skin, throat irritation, and even respiratory issues. Their lush green fronds also absorb harmful airborne toxins like formaldehyde. Keep them in a humid space like the bathroom or kitchen with indirect light and mist regularly. Need a splash of color and a boost in positivity? Try the Gerbera Daisy. These vibrant flowers don't just look cheerful, they also remove benzene from indoor air and improve your emotional well-being. Studies show colorful flowers can improve your focus and reduce fatigue. Perfect for office desks or living rooms, just give them bright light and a little love. Rosemary isn't just for cooking, it's a brain booster too. Inhaling its aroma can improve memory, concentration, and reduce mental fatigue. It's been used in traditional medicine for centuries to reduce inflammation and improve circulation. Keep a pot in your kitchen or near your desk. Water when dry and give it sunlight. These cheerful flowers aren't just for decoration. Chrysanthemums help purify the air and promote clarity. They filter toxins like ammonia and are known to lift moods and reduce stress. They also make a fantastic herbal tea that can help with insomnia and high blood pressure. Place them in bright spots and enjoy their positive energy. And finally, the hidden gem Valyrian. This flowering plant has long been used as a natural sedative. The roots contain compounds that help promote deep, restful sleep and ease anxiety. It needs bright light and moist soil. Try growing it indoors and harvesting the roots for homemade Valyrian tea. So there you have it, 10 indoor plants that go far beyond aesthetics. From healing skin and purifying air to improving sleep and reducing anxiety, these plants are truly a gift from nature. You don't need a jungle to feel better. Just a few green companions in the right place can transform your life. Which of these healing plants do you already have in your home? Or which one are you planning to bring in first? Let us know in the comments.